Control number 42278, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Jenny Tubon. I'm 39 years old. I'm married. I have 3 children, ages 17 years old, 15 years old, and 8 years old. I'm a college undergraduate. I studied at Pangasinan State University, Santa Maria, Pangasinan.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money for the future of my children.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, ma'am. I worked as a domestic helper for 2 years in Saudi Arabia, and I worked also as domestic helper for 2 years in Kuwait.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for elderly?
I can change her diaper. I can give him a bath. I can give him a medicine, and I prepare her food.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for babies?
I can change their diaper. I can give him a bath. I can prepare their food, and I can wash their clothes.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cleaning, washing. I can cooking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook steamed fish and vegetables and carbonara.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am honest, responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like their own family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear ma'am and sir, if you choose me as your domestic helper, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities, and I will be honest. Thank you and God bless.